Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken makange. This is very exciting dish and I don't want you to miss a bit of it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Joy. Please welcome and let's cook together. Now I will start with boiling my chicken. So I'll put a little amount of salt and little amount of water, and I will let it boil in a medium heat for about 15 minutes. Then we will come back to continue. Now our chicken are ready, and I'm going to show you what we are going to do. I'm going to put my frying saute pan, and because I don't want this chicken to have a lot of oil, I'm going to use a stir fry method to fry it, but you can also bake it instead of stir frying it, so that you will, as much as possible, reduce the oil content in your dish. So I'm going to let the oil in my pan get hot enough. You can see this amount of oil for stir frying, and at the end I can still float it. So now my pan is already hot and the oil is hot. I'm going to add my chicken. Stir frying ensures that the meal is not going to take a lot of oil. Okay, now we are going to stir fry our chicken, and this part of chicken has got also extra oil, so it is going to release the oil, and it will help to fry even more nice. So instead of deep frying, we are doing this way, and this helps the chicken to release its own oil. Now this is ready. And I'm going to take it off. As you can see, our chicken is looking so crispy, and I'm going to remove this extra oil. We are going to start to make our chicken makange. I'm going to start putting my onion, But also I'm going to add carrots because they're this one are hard, a little bit hard, so I want to add them earlier. Now I'm going to add my chicken. Remember we didn't marinate this chicken, so it's better to marinate, but we didn't marinate it. So what we are going to do is to make sure that we put enough spices. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon of soy sauce. I'll also add 1 spoon of vinegar sauce. And a little bit of thin wine. This seasoning wine add more taste to our dish, but you need to make sure you don't put a lot of it. We are going to add tomato, the one we cut, and this one is important because it adds some wetness and will help other ingredients to dissolve well and cook well. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt. And I will add tomatoes. And then pepper. Wow, it smells so good. The aroma is really nice. Remember, we don't want to overcook the veggies. They have to remain crunchy. And at this level, make sure the heat is a bit high. Then I'm going to add tomato sauce. To add. And our dish is almost ready. Remember, the tomato sauce is already cooked, so we are not going to make it cook for so long time. So our chicken makange is ready.